Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, December the 23rd at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We have new coupons, new glitches, laundry deals. We have tons of penny items. Plus we do have a 3-day sale, some more glitches, and run deals going on as well. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, we are going to be talking specifically about some gain scenarios in this video, so here's a couple of gain tips. Scan, scan, scan. You want to make sure that your gain DG store coupon shows up underneath every single gain or gain scented product that you want to purchase, because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. So for this week at Dollar General, they gave us a 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon. So you want to make sure that you scan every single item and make sure that this coupon shows up underneath every single gain item. Now, if you plan on going to a new register store or using a self-checkout, I know that some people have issues with getting the gain coupons to stack with the 5 off 25s. My best advice is for you to go into the store today, get a paper 5 off 25 from that store, from a new register store. If you have any issues on Saturday with both of those coupons stacking, you will have a backup plan, and typically, whenever that's happened to me in the past, that always fixes the problem. Now we're going to talk about the 4 for 20 gain coupon that we received on Sunday. So with this coupon, you have to understand that it is not working with all gain products that are priced at $7.50. It is only working on certain products, and only certain products are working with both the 4 for 20 and the 5 off 30. So again, it is so extremely important that you scan every single item that you plan on picking up with your DG app and make sure that both coupons show up underneath each item. Now, as of Wednesday, I could only get this deal to work with old register stores. However, something has changed in the app, so I'm going to run out today. I'm going to try a couple of different things at the self-checkout and the new register, and I'm going to try it once again and see if I can get the 4 for 20 and the 5 off 30 to stack and work at the self-checkout and the new register. If anybody has been successful, please let me know down in the comment section below. So again, I will leave updates on the community tab as well as in the pinned comment down below, but if you do plan on doing this deal on Saturday, it's super simple and easy. Pick up 4 at $7.50 with the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 30. You're going to pay $10 for all 4 gain products. Now, if your stores are out of stock, here's an alternative gain scenario for this week, and you do want to ring these items up in this order because we do have an exclusive coupon that we're using. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the gain laundry products priced at $4.50, one of the gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, one gain fireworks at $4.50, one of the gain laundry products priced at $15.95, one Always Discreet at $3.25, one Vicks cough drops at $1, and one Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. Now, I'm just throwing in those last 3 items because of the overage. You can definitely just leave those off and you can still do this deal. That is going to put your subtotal at $35.70. Here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after all coupons have been applied, that is going to leave you paying $13.70 for 7 items, making each one just $1.95 each. Now, for those of you who don't want to fool with any gain scenarios this week, here is another fantastic laundry deal. Here we have the Purex and the Snuggle fabric softener. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon that leaves you paying $9.50 for 2. We also have a couple of cashback offers, so if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8.50 for 2. But if we throw this in with a 5 off $25 scenario, take a look at what I've come up with. Pick up one of the Purex liquid laundry detergents at $10, one of the Snuggle fabric softeners at $3.75, 7 of the Glade air fresheners at $2.25 each, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and one American greeting card for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $31. The $5 in instant savings will come off first at the register. That's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26. And here's your list of coupons. Now, y'all keep in mind with that BOGO coupon on the Purex and Snuggle, it will take off the full amount of the Snuggle product. So with this scenario, that's $3.75. After coupons, you're paying $14.75. That doesn't sound like a very good deal, but with this scenario, we are going to get back $6.25 in DG cash on the Glade air fresheners. Now, if it stacks with the Purex and the Snuggle, that is another $2. Plus, we are going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get 1,000 points back on the Snuggle and 1,000 points back on the Purex. That is another $2. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. It is the easiest rebate app out there. If you use my referral code, which is on the screen as well as in the description box below, you will receive extra bonus points. So make sure that you're signed up and scan in those receipts. So after everything is all said and done, that is going to make your final price $4.50 for 11 items, making each one just 40 cents each. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for now. I do apologize that I was unable to put together a few more for you all. If I can do that, I will post them on the community tab, but I kid you not, the UPS truck literally just backed into our vehicle, so I'm gonna have to go and deal with all of that right now. But I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. We do have a new coupon, a new glitch, and a moneymaker that I have to tell you all about. So first up, we did receive a new $2.25 off one for the Febreze car clips. These are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're paying $1.10. Great filler item for Saturday. Up next, we have a new glitch with this 50-cent off one digital coupon on the Milk-Bone dog treats. I apologize, I cannot find the screenshot right now for this specific item, but I will post it later on the community tab. But what you want to be on the lookout for are these small $1 bags of Milk-Bones. They're priced at $1. After the coupon, you're paying 50 cents. Another great filler item for Saturday. And up next, we have a moneymaker. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the Oreo ice creams, 14 ounces. These are normally priced at $2.60 each. They're on sale 2 for $4. Right now on Shopkick, we have 900 kicks back when you purchase 1, and there is a limit of 3 on this rebate. So pick up 2 for $4. You are going to get back a total of $7.20. That makes your final price completely free plus a $3.20 moneymaker. So y'all can throw this little deal right here into any 5 off $25 deal, and that is going to make your final price even lower. So do not forget about the free ice cream this weekend. Now also, I know that I have a lot of newbie couponers out there. I have uploaded a video, the top 10 mistakes that people make when doing their 5 off $25 scenarios. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I'm going to go and wait on a call from the UPS supervisor, I guess. So y'all wish me luck. Make sure that you stick around, stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.